Welcome back to the next video. Last video we saw the categorization of the list of things given in this PEP activity, right? So we are going to categorize all the things according to the respective categories like land, air, water and water. So these PEP activity, it denotes that as we organized objects into different groups based on their property, whether the aeroplane is being in the air and ship is in the water, likewise according to the properties we are organizing the object. So according to that, the XIMP also has various options to organize itself into mini windows called dialogues. So XIMP has a great flexibility in arranging the dialogue windows on your screen. Yes. So a dialogue is a moving window which contains options for a tool. So a dialogue is a moving window which contains options for a tool. A dog is a container which can hold a collection of dialogues such as the tool options dialogue, brushes dialogue, etc. Got it? For example, we are having here these are all called as dialogue. This is the tool options dialogue, this is the layer dialogue, this is the channel dialogue, and this is the path, and this is the undo. And here also we are having brush, gradient and pattern dialogues. These dialogues together forms the layers. So these things together forms the dogs. So these are all the dialogues. One by one is called as a dialogue, and these four together it is called as the dog. Got it? Clear with this? What is meant by a dialogue and what is meant by a dog? So a dialogue is a simple layer and channel. This one singly it is called as a dialogue. This is a moving window, and this thing together forms the dog. See, I can very well take this and keep it here. And I can very well use this inside this also. Okay? Yes? This is the moving window called as the dialogue, and here we can make it into a dialogue, each separate dialogue, and this dialogue also we can add by using add dialogue here. See? Add, tab, once again, add, tab, add tab. This by using this add tab you can add also. Okay, so these are all called as a dog, and this one is called as a dialogue. So we can enter into our chapter now. Yes, so a dialogue is a moving window which contains options for a tool, and a dog is a container with which all the collection of the dialogues. Okay, so XIMP has three default dogs: the tool options dialog under toolbox in the left panel, and the layers, channels, path and undo, what we saw dialog in the upper part of the right panel, and the brushes, pattern and gradients dialog in the lower part of the right panel. So these are all the three default dogs available in our XIMP. The first one, tool options dialog under the left panel below the toolbox, under the left panel, the layer, channels, path and undo dialog in the upper part, and brushes, pattern and gradients dialog in the lower part. These are the three default dogs available in our XIMP interface. Got it? Any doubt in this? Once again I am saying a dialog is a moving window of certain tool, and all the dialogues together forms the dog. Like layers, dialog, channels dialog, path dialog, undo dialog together forms a dog, and it's in the left right topmost right corner. Brushes dialog, pattern dialog and gradient dialog. These three dialogues form a dog, and it is in the right bottom corner of your XIMP interface, and tool options dialog is embedded into your toolbox in the left panel. Got it? Any doubt till now? You can enter into the next one. In these dogs, each window is in its own tab. The toolbox is the utility window. Other than this, only the toolbox is available, which is called as the utility window. The tool options window is normally attached to the toolbox and displays the options of the selected tool. So the toolbox option, the tool options window is normally attached to the toolbox and displays the options of the selected window. What is meant by a docking bar? See, docking bar are thin grey bars which you may not be able to make out easily. They need to be specifically pointed out. So each dockable window has a drag handle area. So this is called as the docking bar. I also used this, right? This thing is called as the thin grey bar used here. This is called as the docking bar, which we cannot make it easily. They need to be specifically pointed out. These are all called as dogs. This whole 4 things here, it is called as a dog, and this is the drag handle area where you are be handle. The handle will be in a, see here, handle will be here like this in a shape of a hand. Okay, so hand shape drag handle area. The cursor changes to a hand shape when it is over a drag handle area. So when it is in the drag handle area, the cursor changes into a hand shape. So to dock a dialog, click in the drag handle area and drag it into the docking tab area. So what you want to do to dock a dialog, click in the drag handle area and drag it into the docking tab area, so the dialog is added to this tab. So what you want to do, you want to click in this drag handle area, drag the docking tab into it, and the dialog will be added into the tab. Okay. So the next one is who am I? These 3 things you want to find it. I am a thin grey bar. I said it now. A container and a moving window. What are all these items? You want to specify the name of these items. Who am I? Got it? You want to specify the items in the who am I. I am a thin grey bar which you cannot make out easily what it is. I said it before. Now only I said it. I am a container where I can hold a collection of dialog. What it is. And I am a moving window with options for a tool. What it is. You want to write the things in this. Okay. So with this, about second lesson is over. Only the text concept is remaining. We can see the text concept in the next class, that is next Monday. Okay. Not now, in the next day we can see the text concept and the answers for these book back exercises. And practically we are having one project time where we want to make a card. Okay, we will see how to make a card. The project time we will finish. The book back exercises and the text concepts will be going to see in the next class. Okay, so now then ma'am, what we are going to now do now, well, only 8 minutes over, we are having our minutes, right? What we are going to now do now, what we are going to do now is your AV point. So in the first lesson, we have the AV, that is audio visual time for you in this Chrysalis book. Okay, so AV, you all enjoy the AV, right? Yes or no? Yes, I know you'll be enjoying the AV. Now I am going to show the AV which is in the first lesson about the endangered animals. Okay, the AV to be played by me in the first lesson is about the endangered animals. We can see the AV now. Yes. Okay, I'll play the AV now. Please all watch this.
Well, Stripey, here we are. We've opened our very own jungle spa for all our endangered friends. Best idea ever. Our resort has been in great demand since we opened.
Hello, I'm Honky the White Rhino from Asia. I've heard so much about the resort.
Sure, come along. As you know, the jungle spa is only for endangered animals. We have animals coming in from all over the world to rest and relax here, away from hunters, poachers, and other hazards of humanity. This is our special deluxe room for koala bears. Koalas are very fussy about food. mainly eucalyptus leaves. That's why the entire room is made up of these leaves. Hi there, I'm Coco.
So, Coco, what makes you endangered?
Well, humans love our soft fur, so bears like us are hunted. Also, humans keep destroying our eucalyptus forests for something or the other. If we don't have eucalyptus leaves to eat, we starve. We don't like other food, you see. Here's the gym where our guests work out. This is my friend Liana the leopard from Africa. She's a fast one. She runs up to 100 kilometers per hour. Hello there. I'm going to stay here forever. I love this place.
Why did you leave Africa?
The jungle where the leopards lived was destroyed by man, so there was no prey left for us anymore. We started hunting cattle. Then angry men started to set traps and kill leopards. We were hunted for our valuable skin too. I lost most of my friends and family. I had to leave.
Yoo-hoo! Hi. Are you a new guest at Jungle Spa?
Yes, you are a macaw, aren't you?
That's me, a scarlet macaw from South America. My name is Quack.
I didn't know you were endangered too. I've seen loads of macaws in people's houses.
That's exactly why we are endangered. Instead of letting us be to fly around, we are caught as chicks and sold as pets. That's why there are so few of us around. And people use our pretty colorful feathers, another reason to capture us.
This is our heated swimming pool.
Looks great. That's a leatherback turtle, isn't it? Hi. I love your shell design.
Thanks. Problem is, men love my shell too, so they hunt me down for it.
Hey, I read that you bury your eggs in the sand. Is that true?
Yes, it is. We swim in from the sea, dig a hole in the sand and lay our eggs in it. When the little turtle babies hatch, they head for the sea. But many don't make it. Either predators like seagulls get them or suffocate on the plastic rubbish left behind by man. It's a sad life for us turtles. That's why I quit and come here.
There are a lot of sad, endangered animals like me around. Men hunt rhinos for our beautiful horns. But how do we defend ourselves without our horns? I'd love to stay at the Jungle Spa, away from man and his cruelty. Do you have room for me?
Of course we do. Welcome to the Jungle Spa Resort. Like I said, this spa was a great idea. Look how many animals we're saving from extinction. We'll have to expand the resort pretty soon.
So, this is about the endangered animals. Okay, this is your AV which we want to see in the first lesson. Got it? So, we'll have a quick recap of what we saw today about the second lesson, exploring the XIMP. What are all the things available in the XIMP interface, the toolbox, the tool options, and what are all the things available in the toolbox, about the tool options, about the layers, about the dogs, and about the dialogues. Yes, everything we saw today. So please children, learn. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. This is only the theory part. Practical in the next class we'll be seeing. Please learn it. If you have any doubt, ask me. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's class with the AV. I know that you'll be enjoying it, the AV session. Thank you children. Hope you will be writing all the activities I gave. Thank you.